Hi guys, welcome to the Fitrush. Today's video is going to be a little different from the others. We're going to come up with an awesome drink that not only helps you build immunity but also helps you lose weight. First, we would need about 350 grams of watermelon, about 1 gooseberry, about 25 grams of spinach, and about half a cucumber. Alright, now that you have all the ingredients finely chopped up, let's get them into the mixie. Although watermelon mainly constitutes water, it also has important vitamins and minerals like C, A, potassium, magnesium, B1, B5 and B6. Because through our regular diet we may not be able to take in all our greens, this is the best way to take greens. Here is where the weight loss factor comes into play. It is high in fiber, which will keep you full for a much longer time. Now we are going to add the cucumbers to that, which is also having high fiber content and is going to keep you full for a longer time. Mix it all up and this is what the juice looks like. It's a complete green drink and it tastes really good and it's really good for your health. It's high in fiber, so this is not filtered. We must have it along with the fiber. Do not filter it, and it's best served cold. So let's have a sip.